Hey, what's up, guys? Your boy Jose Cabrera once again with another YouTube video, guys. And on this video, what I'll be going over is going to be the my credit system. Okay. Now, you might be asking yourself, why do I need this? Why do I need the my credit system? Well, you want good credit. You need good credit. This is the best solution and the cheapest solution for you and for anybody that wants to repair their credit the fastest and the cheapest way, right? Now, we all need good credit, right? We need credit for a lot of different reasons, right? We want a new car, we want to get some credit cards, we want to, go get a good job. Even jobs, they look up your credit now. You want to get a loan, a variety of reasons, right? Why you need good credit. You want to go out to your bank and get a good loan for your business. You want to pay off your house. Whatever the reason is, guys, you know, it just you need good credit. You need good credit in the world now. It just anything that you want to get. It pretty much consists of you having good credit, and it just makes you look good, right? If you have a 400 score credit, that's going to make you look bad, okay, anywhere you go. Versus if you have a 750 plus, okay, people are going to see you way different, right? They're going to see you different. They're going to trust you. They're not going to question, giving you a 2020, Chevy or a 2020 Cadillac, whatever you want. They're going to have no issue because they see that you are responsible. They see you have a great credit score, and they're going to trust you, right? So what I'm going to go over is really quick, guys, and briefly just kind of go over the my credit system. I know a lot of people have been asking me about it. Maybe you've been wondering, hey, can I just get the credit repair system? I don't want the membership. Definitely you can. You can just come in and purchase the my credit system, or you can just simply go the cheaper route and just come in the income shifting membership. And why not, right? You get all these other things, investment educations. If you have a job, you can learn how to correct your W-4 and put some extra cash flow, guys, in your paycheck, right? So I would definitely encourage anybody that wants to repair their credit, come in the income shift membership. Only 34 to get. It's only 29 to get started. I'm sorry, 29 bucks to get started and 34 a month. No brainer, guys. Cheapest price out there right now, really. Or you do have the other option where you can come in and simply purchase a my credit system. Okay, whichever one fits your budget. Now let's go into the my credit system right away. um, Now once you come in, guys, in the credit system, you do get step by step how to repair your credit, literally step by step. As you can see, you have uh, modules 1, okay, through 10. Okay, you get 10 modules, guys, of nothing but education on how to repair your own credit. Now, these are the steps, guys, that some of these big companies have. Okay, it's just that my econ has actually given them to you so you can do it yourself. Okay, because that's what the My Credit Plan system is. It's a do-it-yourself system where you can actually learn, educate yourself, and teach others on how to repair their own credit. Okay, so really briefly, I'm just going to go over a few of the lessons, a few of the modules that you get. Some of the most important ones to me would be how to read your credit report. A lot of people don't know how to do that, guys. So definitely, if you don't know, module number 3 would be a main one. How to get your dispute items, how to remove your negative payment history, right? Very important, guys. How to properly apply for new credit. So if maybe you don't have any credit, right, we teach you how to apply for new credit so you can start building your credit. Okay. Um, One of the most important ones also is how to check disputes. Okay, how to check them. Okay, if by any reasons the credit agencies, the bureaus, right? They don't want to respond in your favor, and they maybe be saying, "Hey, this is not yours," whatever, whatever. We teach you what to do, guys. Okay, so you don't have to, feel lost, or maybe you feel like, "Hey, they got me, I have to pay it." No, we teach you how to do it step by step on here. We actually do also give you, we give you your dispute letters as you one of these. Uh, We actually give you all the dispute letters, guys, so you can simply download them, and you'll have all the dispute letters ready for you to simply send out. Okay, so everything, like I said, is all in here, guys, for you to start repairing your credit, okay, step by step, easily, okay, easily. And we are guaranteed, guys, for you to get results within 60 to 90 days. So within 60 to 90 days, you should get some type of results even before then, guys, maybe 45 days, okay? But if they don't respond within 30 days, okay, then you can take action, okay, and we teach you what to do if they don't respond within 30 days, okay, because they have 30 days to respond back to your dispute letters that you send out. If not, then we give you the steps on what to do if they don't do that. Okay, so I'm trying to see what other important one there is, but pretty much all of these are important, guys. We teach you how to read it. We teach you how to obtain your credit report. So there's a way that you can get free copies of your credit report, guys, without getting charged. Okay, you do get one free credit report every year. After that, you have to actually pay if you want to get another report. So we give you the website on where you have to go to get that free credit report, and once you get it, you can download it to your computer. You can print it out on your printer, and you can have it. That way, you can read it. And once you start fixing your disputes and you start eliminating those negative things off your credit report, you can easily just keep track of them by having your credit report right by you and just marking them off as they get deleted, right? So that's another great thing that we give you. And like I said, Module 5 teaches you how to remove those negative payments off of your payment history. If you have any late payments, maybe you have late, mortgages, car notes, whatever, we teach you how to remove those, even if you already paid them, guys, because if you didn't know, even if you pay off items, they still show up on your credit report like you still have them. So we teach you how to remove those negative items so that way they won't show up on your credit report, and so much more, guys, that you can come in and learn. And like I said, I'm not going to go through all of the modules, it's a lot of them, but you get the point. You can come in here, guys, and sit down on your laptop, computer, you know grab a pen and paper and start taking notes and start repairing your credit, all while you share the platform and you start making commissions. Okay, so that's a great thing, guys, that my econ gives you the affiliate side, as well as it gives you, the opportunity for you to come in and start repairing your credit yourself. Okay, so that's awesome. I don't know any other company that's doing this, guys. I don't know any other company that's giving you the education and the opportunity for you to share the education, and they're paying you for it. Okay, that's crazy. But anyways, that was it for the video, guys. I went over the myCredit system for my econ. If you have any other questions, make sure you drop them on here. I will be leaving the links for the myCredit system and also for the income shift membership if you want to check it out, if you want to join us. And before I go, my econ, guys, it is a U.S. based company, so anywhere outside of the U.S. you unfortunately cannot join. Simply just because the company is based here in the U.S., guys, and some of the offers and the products, they're actually not available in other countries outside of the U.S. So this is a U.S. Opportunity. So anybody outside of the U.S., guys, unfortunately, you cannot join my econ, but I do have other opportunities on my YouTube channel that you can go check out that are worldwide that you can join at any given time. Okay, so with that, guys, that was it for the video. On this video, I went over the myCredit system, where you can start repairing your credit as easy as 1, 2, 3. Okay, so any other questions, guys, make sure you just drop them below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit that notification bell and give me a like. And I will catch you guys on my next video.